Do you have 4? Haha, lay it on me. Now how about...
Wait, it's my turn. You got an 8?
Ha! Go fish.
Oh, man, I'll never make it out of the ground Goombas.
Well, look who decided to show his red yellow face. Do you have the tokens?
I think you mean coins.
I've been running for 3 months.
Sounds like you want more wings.
For the last time, that wasn't me. Please just let me buy what I came here for 3 months ago.
Don't worry your big little head. I got boomerangs, fire flowers, ice flowers. I also got the super mushroom.
Wait, you mean the mushroom that Mario uses?
The one he uses to murder all of my friends?
The one where he grows super big and strong?
Well...
I'll take it here.
Ooh, wow, yikes. Did I mention that some of them don't work?
Nope, you clearly told me.
Well, thanks for stopping by. Come back next week.
You got any 8s?
Go fish.
Wow, again. Oh wait, don't end the episode now. We gotta wait like 5 months.